Bonjour asterisk, welcome to our 6th video on how to take your brick and mortar business online. In this video, I will show you how to create and send your first email marketing campaign. Let's start by designing a newsletter with one of our ready-made templates. For this video, we are going to create a newsletter for promoting your weekly online deals. On the Moosend dashboard, click on the Settings button. On the menu that appears, click the Templates option. Locate the Campaigns option, and click Editor. There you will find a wide range of templates for any industry and type of campaign. For this tutorial, we choose one from the e-commerce category. Click on the Preview Template button and scroll down to see how it looks on different devices. If the design suits your campaign needs, click on the Use Template button to start customizing it. To change an image, click on it and go to Image Settings on your left. Click Remove Image. Click on the Image Picker button and choose the image you want to use from one of these applications. Image Picker allows you to source the perfect image for your design by uploading it from your computer, cloud storage device, social media account, Giphy or Unsplash. I am going to choose one from Unsplash stock photos and use the search bar to find the category I want. Then click Select and Add. If you want to crop the image, click on the corresponding icon on your left and adjust the width and height by dragging the arrows. Click Crop when you're done. You can change the layout of your newsletter if you want. To do this, go to the menu on your left and click on the Structure tab, where you will find different column layouts. We call them containers. Drag and drop the container of your choice anywhere you like. You can also delete the rows that you will not use by clicking on the corresponding icon. Click on the Elements button, and add some spacers to let your newsletter breathe. In General Settings, adjust the row padding and slot spacing. Style the text to your preferences by changing font, size, and color. In the same fashion, you can also style your button and add a link. Similar to any other text, here too we can change fonts and adjust alignment and padding. When using a template, you have the complete freedom to change, customize, move or delete any elements in the design. Just click the cross symbol to decide what to do with your container, or simply click on it to open its settings on your left. From here you can do anything you want. Go to the Preview tab to see how your newsletter looks on different devices. When you're ready, click Update Template and exit. And you're done. You just created a professional e-commerce newsletter from scratch. Now let's see how you can get this beautiful newsletter to work. With Moosend, creating a regular campaign is very easy and the process consists of just a few simple steps. Let's go. From your Moosend dashboard, click on the New Campaign button. Locate the regular campaign and click on the Create button. Next, you'll need to define the campaign settings. Start by setting up the available fields: campaign name, subject, preview text which is optional, sender, reply to and send confirmation to. If you would like to track your campaign at Google Analytics, enable the option with a click. Then, click on the Next button to continue. The next step is to select the mailing list which will receive your campaign. Keep in mind that you can choose more than one list. And if you have any subscribers contained on multiple lists, don't worry. We do our magic and your email is only sent once. When you're ready, click Next. Now let's choose the appropriate format for your campaign. There are two options: HTML and plain text, or plain text only. Plain text campaigns only contain text and you can't add other design elements like images or links. HTML and plain text campaigns let you add all kinds of images, fonts, and layouts, just like a web page. So we suggest choosing HTML and plain text to use your previous design. Click on the Next button to continue. To create your newsletter design, click on the Take Me to the Editor button. For now, we will use the template we previously created. Go to the Template library and select My Saved Templates from the menu on the left. You can click Preview Template to make sure you choose the one that suits you best. Then click Use Template. Then click OK, and if there are no changes to make, click on the Update Campaign and Continue button. Next is the spam and delivery test step. Before sending your actual campaign, you can test it to see how it looks. Just go to the Design and Delivery Test tab. Add your email to receive the campaign and simply check how it looks. If you don't want to test your campaign, just click Skip Test. If you want to send your campaign right away, choose the Send this campaign immediately option. You also have the option to schedule your campaign for a future date or time. Choose the Schedule this campaign to be sent out at a future date and time option and specify the date, time and time zone. Click on the Next button when you're ready. Take a look at all of your campaign details one more time and click on the Preview button to look at your newsletter design. When you're ready, click on the Send or Schedule button, depending on what you decided to do. That's it. Your first newsletter campaign is ready to go. Please take a moment to leave a comment below about your experience completing this tutorial.